This particular protein is starch branching enzyme 1, SBE1. So if the starch branching enzyme 1, SBE1, the isoform of starch branching enzyme 1 is present, then the seeds will be round. So this enzyme will branch the starch and seeds will be filled and they will look like as round seeds. If the enzyme is absent, then in the absence of starch branching enzyme, the seeds will be wrinkled, not enough deposition of starch. So if I look at capital R, I will say this is a pea plant which is having two alleles, two copies of the DNA, which is coding for the enzyme SBE1, starch branching 1. They are identical and both of them are making the functional enzyme, functional protein. Second, the capital R, small r, two copies of the same gene, two alleles of the same gene. One is able to make the enzyme, the second one is not making the enzyme. But still, starch branching enzyme is present, it is coming from one copy, and that enzyme is enough to make enough branch starch, so the plant will be having still what? Round seeds, even if only one copy is working. Now, small r, both the copies are identical, but none of them is able to make starch branching enzyme SBE1. No enzyme, no branch starch formation, no filling of the seed, and the seeds will be what? Wrinkled. From where this small r allele is coming? So the capital R, which is the normal wild type allele, which is giving us a functional starch branching enzyme 1, is giving us the phenotype, the result. But if I compare the small r, which is the recessive allele, is having an insertion mutation where in between the normal sequence of DNA, there is an insert of 0.8 kilobase pair, which is disrupting the sequence of gene, and there is no starch branching enzyme 1 production. If enzyme is absent, the function will not be there. And if the function will not be there, result will not be there. If the result will not be there, then there will be no phenotype. And no phenotype is what? Wrinkled seed. So there is nothing called as recessive or wrinkled seed. Absence of round seed automatically becomes wrinkled seed. Or you can say absence of protein is automatically become what? Recessive.